FabFitFun time. Want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room. She's got a friend over. Bandit is begging for food, and Dexter's sulking about. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings. Get ready with me. FabFitFun. We are FabFit fanatics here. And if you like that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. All right, so I came home. I had all these FabFitFun boxes. I said, let me get on it for you guys. We're going to suspend all regularly scheduled programming to get you guys the inside track. Unfortunately, choice time is all over for both seasonal and obviously annual subs. So this isn't going to help you make your choices, but it's something. You can at least see what you're going to get. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? If you love FabFitFun, it's always a good time. And you can see what kind of choices. Now, I have a lot of different boxes here. I'm going to open up this big one first because it's the one in the way, and I can use this box to put other boxes. Now, I am not looking my best. I am not all makeup. I am not all pretty for you guys, but I am all excited for FabFitFun. Also, I'm filming all these videos the same day. I don't wear the same thing every day. Trust me, I don't. If y'all have seen my Wantable and Stitch Fix, you know I have a little clothing habit too. Okay, paper out. Couple of little add-ons. This was $2. This is by Thanks, and it is their strawberry glaze aluminum-free deodorant. And I got this because it's a great little travel item, and it's also something not only you could throw in your purse, but you could also throw on your desk at work or in a backpack or whatever it is. So I thought $2, let's get that. I do the SKN body. It's like $11, $11.95 maybe, for their refill kit. And I have the Michael Todd dermabrasion tool. And this is their hair identifier. Well, it's not theirs, but it's the SKN body hair identifier. It's the one that if you are on TikTok, you have seen this. This is the best one I have gotten. So it does come with your little shavers. I sometimes use this more or goes around this area, but this right here is the bomb. I've tried others. It's definitely worth it. And it's so weird. You can't get like that kind of stuff in a grocery store or whatever kind of store. And the mystery candle is mystery bundles out. I hope I'm not going to regret it. They were pretty good last time, but nothing I really needed. And it is Advent calendar season time as far as them being on sale. So kind of wanted the money for that. Plus I got so many extra boxes, like pre-curated boxes, that I said, oh, I just can't. Last time I said that I added them on, but this time because of the Advent calendars, I don't believe I will. Okay, this is the View Monday collection, and this is pumpkin spice. Very pretty. Very nice. Very nice. All right, I think I'm going to be very happy with that. It is almost pumpkin spice time. A few weeks away from it. September starts pumpkin spice time for me, at least. The minute a pumpkin spice is available at Dunkin', that is the official time. Okay, one more non-choice item add-on, and that was from Nest. And this was like $24. It's a $50 price if you buy it in the store and a $71 value. And I've been wanting to try their fragrances. And in this, you get the watermelon peony, Madagascar vanilla, creme de clementine, lychee rose, and vanilla bourbon. So I was really excited to try these. And yeah, I think I'm really happy with those. Okay, so box, what categories, what? I don't remember. I'll put it over here for you guys because I know you guys like to know. I might remember some, like one of the extras in this one. First of all, I tried to theme my boxes like home and fashion, um, yeah, like fashion, skincare, whatever. But it was really hard to do because there were all these extra boxes. I wanted like all the home stuff. So I don't really think they're themed. But in this one, I did add on the Mally and Lily faux suede tote. Now, this was an additional $20. And here we go. Here's how it looks. It's got these nice handles. It's a nice soft suede material. We've got some pockets on the side, like for sunnies. Not going to fit a water bottle. It does zipper. All right. And then inside, we do have a zipper pocket right here. And then on this side, we have some of those loose pockets for just little things you want to be able to quick grab, whether they be glasses or whatever it is. So it's nice and soft. I mean, it does not even feel like a suede leather, but it does feel nice. And I think it's going to be a super cute fall item. And because it matched so well, I had to get the Trina Turk umbrella. I thought, how nice will this look together? So it has this, I'm going to put a picture of it because I'm not going to open this up, but it has the easy open. It has this nice striped design. And I mean, look at that, right? Now that was $11 to add on, and I'm always looking for an umbrella. So I thought for $11, that's a pretty good price for an umbrella. I'm just going to grab that. All right, next by Pretty Cool, we have the tortoise drink glasses. Now I did get I got 3 sets of 2, so 6 in total. So I just thought these were gorgeous for the fall. I mean, think about how that would look on your table on Thanksgiving. And you could certainly use them year round, but I just thought they were so pretty. Oh, I did get this too. This was, I think, maybe $7 for Chloe. This was one other add-on. This is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So it's basically a biface, but you put a Q-tip in, you don't shake it up, you pull it out, and then it gets from the bottom. Then when you pull it up, it gets the top layer on there, and it's used to dry out acne. We had Kate Somerville one that she really liked. So I'm thinking this might not only be a less expensive alternative, but a good alternative. Like it'll work as well, I hope. Okay, and then I wasn't going to add these on, but I did. I thought about that. I did. And this is from Chrissy Teigen's Cravings line. So there are 2 little spoons. I'm only going to unwrap one. These are really well wrapped, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks IRL, kind of, not just in the photo. And then there's this little wooden block, and these little holes here are where you're going to stick the spoon in. And then here is the black marble one. Right, super cute. Love it. And then the white one. And these are marble with that little gold tone top. They're great as salt sellers, I will tell you that. And I do have like different types of salts. Like I have rosemary salt. I have some different salts from when I went to Hawaii, and they have different seasonings in them. And I have like black one, black salt, pink salt. So I thought, you know what, it would be useful for that after all. So let me just grab them. And then here is the box that I chose. Now I do have 2 accounts, so I do have 2 boxes that I curated, as well as, like I say, a few different boxes that they curated that you could purchase for an additional, typically $79. There was one that was a little bit more. It probably had 2 category 1s in there. I don't recall. But let's look inside. Very lovely. Very fall vibes. And I have another 2 glasses in here. We don't need to take them out. We just looked at them. We got a freebie. We got some Bruins Super Green Gummies. I've been wanting to try these, so I'm really excited for that. All right, I believe this was category 1, and this is the French press by Latery. And here we go. Very lovely. You've got your filter there. You've got your pour spout, and you put your coffee grounds in. You put your hot water in. You put this on top, and then you very slowly depress the plunger. Don't do it quick. You could shatter it, but you're going to very slowly depress that plunger until it's got the coffee grounds at the bottom. And then you're going to let it sit. Typically, let's see, I think I typically do 8 minutes, but this says 4. I typically do 8. This I also thought was kind of a home item. This is the Voluspa Forbidden Fig Room Spray, and I don't know, it sounded like it would smell really nice, like very fall-y. Very pretty. Nice to sit out. It's got this nice design. Looks kind of fancy. That is nice. I'm going to like that. Then I got the OC Undaria Algae Body Butter, and I'm super excited to try this. I do love their whole line. Look at how thick and rich that is. Wow. Oh yeah, like that is really thick. Like you're not going to just plunge on in. So citrusy. Yum. If you like citrus scents, you're going to like this. And this is powered by seaweed. It is vegan and cruelty free, and they use a lot of ocean things like seaweed, like the very sustainable. I believe that the glass that they use is repurposed glass, recycled. Then by Tula, I got their Espresso Eye Balm, and I got this in the Americano. So I've had the pink one in this is the repurposed pink from before. And I thought, you know, let me try something different. And yeah, you can't see it at all. I thought that would be a nice little glow. So super excited to get started using that. It's nice and cooling. Yeah. Love, love, love. Tula. Also vegan, cruelty free. And then the last thing in this box is by Summer Fridays. And I was like, what shade do I get? This is the soft strawberry. This is a blush balm. So it is a cream. Nice and creamy. Blends in really, really nicely. Okay, so that is the first box I'm showing you. If you are interested in seeing more, I'm going to have a lot more videos up and coming with more and more things. So stay tuned for those. Look out for those and see some of the things, how they actually look. And sometimes these things do end up in the shop. So if you didn't catch it the first time, sometimes you can catch it in the shop, and sometimes it comes up in other boxes too. All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.